So for whatever reason, Apple decided to not make the Apple Intelligence visual thing available to users who have the iPhone 15 Pro, which is absolutely insane. We don't have that dedicated camera button here, so we can't use this feature that Android users have on their cheapest phones. It's just insane to me. It really is. I don't really understand what Apple's doing. Kind of annoying, but I do have a workaround for you, and we're actually just going to use what our phone already has. So let me walk you through how we can get similar features to the Apple. So I'll walk you through just a workaround of how we can get similar functionality to the Apple Intelligence visual thing that they have on the iPhone 16 only. And yeah, it works. So let me show you how to do that now. Okay, so inside of your iPhone, what we need to do, we're actually going to use this button here, our action button, and we're going to use Google Lens. We can access Google Lens on our iPhones. It's so freaking weird. So what we need to do is, first we need to make sure that we have the Google app downloaded because we need to use that. Go to your settings on your iPhone and select or search for action button here. Cool. And inside of this, you have it's crazy visuals, but we're going to just swipe through here until we find shortcut. And then we're going to choose a shortcut. And now we can scroll down here and select Google. Now remember, you need to have the Google app installed because this is going to be a shortcut that opens this Google app, but they made it so that we can open a specific section of that Google app. So I'm going to select the Google Lens here. So now whenever I hit that action button, my shortcut is going to be open Google Lens, which is very similar to the Apple Intelligence Vision thing. So let's test this. So we got this Lego here. And if I hit the action button, press and hold, opens Google, opens the lens, take a quick picture, and it gives us Legos. Let's try again with this weird thing. So hit the action button here. We got a fresh new picture here. Take the picture. And I don't think that it got the fake, but it does a quick search. And that is honestly the closest we can get right now until Apple decides to let us in on the fun. So guys, I hope this helps. If you're annoyed that Apple doesn't allow the iPhone 15 Pro users to get this intelligence feature, drop it in the comments. Would love to hear what you have to think. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.